Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Please help me to share. I'm late, but I just feel like we have to gist. No politics tonight, but just gist. Normal gist. Normal gist. Good evening to you all, my people. Good evening to each and every one of you. Please help me to share. It's just normal gist tonight. I believe you people can see the write-up there. May we gist normal things for life today. Normal things for life. That's about what is going on in the social media space. You guys can see my write-up there. Gbokpogiri, Jamina versus Tonto Dike. So it's what I want to talk about tonight. Not politics, but sometimes there is, we give Obaseki a break for today, being on Monday, you know. Since the weekend was for party, condolence visit. So let's see what he has done for Edo people for today. Tomorrow we'll start talking about that. But as for that today, I will want to talk about this, what is really going on with some of our men. Help me to share this video. Don't just watch. This matters a lot to men and women. It concerns men and women. You have to, if I were to be you, I would just sit down jejely, I will listen and pick what belongs to me inside. If I'm among this category, I will use it to change my life, or I will use it to change the life of either my sister, my auntie, my cousin that you know that is doing it. That is why I just feel like, I know a lot of people have talked about it, but I still want to say my mind also, which we live in a free world. I don't need to be saying politics every day, but I have to. Just help me to share, my people. Help me to share. Love, like, follow. Help me to share. This concerns each and every one of us. Every day, politics is for everybody, but this is personal life. Personal life. This is about you, about me, about each and every one of us, about our own children to be born tomorrow, future children, generation. So that we shouldn't do something that will mess up our generation. You know, when you can't do something where you go mess up your generation, now you yourself go dey cry inside grave. Nobody did there. Nobody did there. Baba Kingsley, I greet. Ifi, on our way, yare. Wow, I greet to see the mask where you get. No, I don't know. Anyway, may I speak? I know say na Holland today. Goedenavond. Alles goed? Alles goed? Heb je een leuke dag gehad vandaag? I greet you all. Ifi, ça va? I know say na Holland today. I don't read your write-up and I don't picture where you dey. Oga Pepper Super great. Mona, let me share this video, my people. May we talk, because some children not be children where they supposed to join. Believe me. If you be man, don't lay curse on your future generation. Not by swearing, no. Not be waiting you talk come out from man, but your attitude, what you have done. What you have done will affect your own children tomorrow. What you by yourself don't do down go affect your own children, your generation tomorrow. We have to be careful because there are different kind of people, different kind of category, like these people that are going on. If I were, let me just start with Jamina. If I I were to be the husband, instant packing. Believe me. Instant packing. If na even she they give me food, now she they feed me. Baba Frederick, why I go I just dey busy. I be no one come out, but you don't tell where I be won't do the video. I not just get time the whole day. Una no verse. I beg una. If na me be Jemina husband, the very day where that video come out, this one no need to quarrel put. If she even get the house, I go carry my cloth, I go come out. If now she get the house where we dey stay, Mona help me share this video because this video now for everybody. Now for everybody, I beg you all, if you are a man, you have to be wise. Because you might just marry a Jezebel like Jemina. You might just marry a Jezebel like Jemina because why are they talking? I beg you, I might be wrong, I might be right. But a woman that is cheating under the roof of her own husband is not a woman. Any woman that will go and cheat and sleep with another woman, automatically you are sowing a seed for your male children tomorrow. Because now waiting you do another woman picking, then they can't do your own picking. Waiting you do another woman picking, because the man where you with a day house, he marry you, he no marry you, as long as you don't agree, say, yes, I will be with you. And you now can't come out, go they do one kind of kurukere waka. I don't feel talking that day. I say for a woman to have dignity, it better make man just know, say, you be troublesome woman, you dey quarrel. Man go fit deny for you. Than for man to know you, say, you be adulterous woman. They no go ever fit deny. And that kind of thing a big shame. Even if the man can't even see, say, okay, make I manage you, they go. The stigma don't already dey there. That stigma can never be washed away. Like this Jemina owner. Because when Toto DK talk this thing, she mentioned a lot of people name. If you now watch, this woman not come out. Genevieve not even come out, come answer. Because her name dey too. Genevieve not come out, come answer. At all, at all. Genevieve no come out, come answer. As Genevieve no come out, come answer, she not come wait. After she don't wait for a while, then she come dey sue for 500 million. 500 million. When you already know, say, you don't already put your body for outside as a dancer. She be dancer. She dey dance well. You understand? But I see no reason why a woman that is married will be doing that. You can dance, but cover up. You can be a stripper, but cover up. Cover up. She can't even make the man look like a man that has no dignity. Because now she can't bring shame come for the husband. Many of una don't see the audio. Una don't watch, una don't listen. But I go analyze my own. Somebody like Gbokpo Gari. Gbokpo Gari don't mess the generation up. He is a cause, believe me. He is a cause for a man to go and be lying down with a married woman, another man's wife. He is a generational cause. Unless you belong to maybe all this Illuminati group where they say that they go sleep with people's wife to get power. Many of you don't listen to the video, the audio, but I go see player.
Please, the fuck where you just fuck me, my husband for 9 years when they did, she never fuck me like that. Me and you, we feed the house, we fuck from man. So that date stay rich. Each time I think of my pre-day race, I get.
Well, they hear another person's wife. These guys say anytime when you think about her, manhood go the race for another person's wife. Hey, Gbokpo Gari messed up his life. Oh, believe me, I don't lie on her. I no lie on her. Now wait till come out for a matter take judge now. Another person's wife.
From the erection. and the girl don't do dirty sex. Different kind of sex.
30, another man wife. 30, he finish. Or he just cripple everything. Believe me, he cripple everything. He cripple everything from waiting the man go enjoy. If somebody can't even say, Mom, he don't do 30, another person wife. Not be even a girlfriend though. Meaning, if Jemina now don't go brush Popo Gary for where he go, she dey brush him, then an excuse she go they give the husband for house. Either he say, I get pain here, I get waist pain here, when I take dance, the husband no go no. That one go even they say sorry. That one no go no say, she don't already go file Popo Gary thing come. She don't already go wash and come. Then she go come they wait now maybe when the thing go come dry. That the pain go come relief am. The one where Popo Gary, when they take do more than 30 times. She go come dey wait, make she heal, recover from that one. Before she go say, Oga, oya, come.
You see, she tell me, say, please, the fuck way you just fuck me, my husband, for 9 years, well, they did, she never fuck me like that.
Oh, una year. Good 9 years, where did they date? Good 9 years. Now she take date the man where she marry, finally marry. So meaning they've been together for the past 9 years. So this one now where this boy can they do now, this Popo Gary. If una get wife, more na run, carry her run from where Popo Gary dey, my people. I'm not lying una. If una get wife, where it be like, say una wife, one near Popo Gary, one even shake hand with her. Make una carry una wife run. Because this boy, I'm not sure say na ordinary hand. Believe me. I'm not sure say na ordinary hand. It's either he belong to something, or he want to be popular, or he just enjoy doing it. Sleeping with people's wife.
Then, me and you, if you dey house, we'll talk from money to evening. She know the...
Hey, una dey here? He said they fit there from morning till evening. Which kind of excuse she can't they give the wife, the husband? Babariki, I greet. Good evening. Hope you are good. Oh, lovely. Good evening. I greet. No, which kind of excuse she can't they give the husband where he put her for house? Say she they go where be say she they go brush another man from morning till evening. Oh, uefo or file efo. E Popo Gary wa file ona wari olima na ya leo ona wa file niere. E Popo Gary na wari olima na ya leo ona wa alo from morning till evening. The husband no go even fit do from morning till evening. Grace, I greet. Good evening. The husband, the owner of the thing, no go fit do from morning till evening. Even a Popo Gary wa ya file, even a Jemina Mukhia, a Popo Gary na wari olima na aleo, ona wa file from morning till evening. He finish everything now. What did the husband can't get? Maybe if she can't reach us, oh ya yalamu ya akbe. Because they didn't win away, or yala mukbe, so that our why got la way, a bonny or do ati ashu, only our way talk again, palo, or my way. Me Popo Gary be or call you where's the why, or he do a fine. Can you imagine? Popo Gary finding another man's wife with Olima and Aleo. Just brushing corner, left and right, everything. He said more than 30 times. So te Jamina can't even they see Popo Gary as her own husband. A woman staying with you, a married woman, sleeping with a boyfriend from morning till dawn, from morning till night. Then you automatically, now the boyfriend can't be the husband. Easy.
Yeah, if we'll continue.
Una here. He say if they're tired, I agree, it's good evening. He say if they're tired, then go rest, then go continue. Meaning on plus igbo, plus cannabis, plus marijuana, name it up, plus everything smokeable. Now they do this one. Because now from morning till night. This one now from morning till night. Another man property. Make una no marry person like Jemina. Anything when they call J, make una run. Another man wife go just carry her body, carry her leg, jejeje. Go meet another man for house from morning till night. This one not be ordinary high. It's under the influence of marijuana.
No. Let's hear me out. Now she married the guy now. Let me the guy marry her.
Una ye?
She did. I should have.
Una de ye? He say now she married the man. No be the guy marry her. Now true. Now she married the guy. Because even men looking at the guy, you will be like say the guy they life support. You go just see the guy say he be like person where he be say he dey life support. If Popo Gari no say he don't file another man wife, he don't chop the apple, he don't chop the seed. Popo Gari carry his hand begin to write apology letter the other day. I just dey look am. I no say Popo Gari na true. And Jemina na come and say she dey look for 500 million. 500 million upon the file where she dey file. Carry another man property, go they give Popo Gari 30 rounds. Hell, easy man. He said 30 rounds, now they don't do 30. Make una count 30, you know plenty. Maybe the husband never even do since then they're together now. If it be said the husband never even do reach 20.
Each time I think of my pre-degrees, I get.
I'm not go talk put.
I get strong erection. Yeah, the girl don't do dirty sex. Different kind of sex. When they say, she tell me say, please, the fuck way you just fuck me. My husband for 9 years when they did, she never fuck me like that. Me and you, we should be house. We fuck from money till different.
She know they tire.
Yeah, if we tire, we'll rest, we'll continue.
No.
Let's hear me out. Now she married the guy now. Let me the guy marry her.
She did.
Una dey hear my people. He say now she married the guy. Not be the guy marry her. Not true. Because for a woman to carry herself, go meet another man, make the man file am 30 times. More than 30 times. Then go even do one from morning till night. It meaning not true. The man not be man. Believe me. Since this thing happen now, we not see Jane again. No. We not see her break light for social media. We not see her write up. If na me be the man, I don't go. I don't go. I don't carry my bag. I dey waka dey comot. Pikin like Jane, no be pikin. No be pikin. Gbomo veri oni ete yiri akpoko awa ya fion we ni. Iya ya fion we ni sinso wa twera rararara ni. Iya ri akpoko ya fion we. This na pikin we be say e dey bring disgrace. They come for parents. And the day when they go they do marriage, na so a family go they demand for heaven and earth. Then go they demand for trailer loss of traditional rights. Where the man go come pay. The man no say na contraband he carry. Say na him with another man go they share your wife. Popo Gari, you need to come and share for the bride price where that man pay. You need to come and share for the bride price where the man pay. Una too need to share the money, the expenses where that man don't pay. Una too need to share them. Because some family, there's a big demand. Then go demand, say the clothes where they buy for her. No being go carry come out. Everything where he carry for that house, no being go carry come out. The man go they pay, go they pay, go they pay. He no say, no be today this guy start to the join. And not be only Popo Giri be the first person. Believe me. If a woman get dignity, man talk to you, you go turn on the man. You go turn the man down unless he dey your mind. If you not dey your mind as a woman, you no go ever succumb to such thing. This one not be pressure. Now waiting dey Jane mind, Jemina mind. Now waiting she don't feel they do even when they date. Una know now some girls dey wey be say then they date 2 boys, 3 boys. Even after they marry, they go to say maybe some go change, say, okay, now one person I go just marry, now we'll just date together. Some no. their former boyfriend, their eye go still dey the corner. Where be say, they go still go the leak inside. It is possible. It is possible. Gbogbo Gary and Jemina, they don't fair this date before she even married the guy. Jemina na runs gay. Runs gay based on say, the runs where she they do now, not be say she they see money inside. She just want satisfaction. She just want make Gbogbo Gary just dey satisfy her. Not be say Gbogbo Gary they give her money. Gbogbo Gary no they give her money. Gbogbo Gary just see free food begin to eat based on say na married woman. So I service you, you give me the waiting you get. Jemina not be picking where person supposed to even marry put for house. Jemina not be picking for another man to service you more than 30 times. Now waiting the guy fit count, now they tell the word. Believe me. Now waiting Gbogbo Gary fit count, now they tell the word. If you as a woman not open left for ground, this one not be case of rape now. Rape me not there this one. Now waiting Jemina want, now Gbogbo Gary they give her. But just the way they vex with Gbogbo Gary for be say, he is messing up his generation. Why? A man, you don't sleep with people's wife. Now generational curse. Now generational curse. If na single girl like you, they say all this Genevieve, all this Juliet Ibrahim, all those ones, they're not their husband house. But for a woman where their husband house, it is shameful. It is disgusting. And you as a man, where they go lie down for another man, wife. Now generational curse, believe me, you can never wash it away. Now turn by turn. Okay, Jemina that day now saying get belle. It's possible the belle na Gbogbo Giri. Tomorrow night go transfer and give the husband. Now so it dey be now. Now so it dey be. Tomorrow now she go carry the belle, go give the husband. Huh? Every time she dey miscarry. Now too much of Gbogbo Giri now. Now too much of Gbogbo. Now too much of Gbogbo is possible. The womb just needs settlement. As pikin enter, he don't know she no go ever agree. She go carry herself waka, go meet Gbogbo Giri. Huh? Now the way where she dey take the wine and she's just using it. There are some kind of women who are already possessed. They are already evil. They are already demon. So they are ready to even lure some men along with them. Go look the way where she dey take the dance. You go know see all those dance. Now mommy water all of them be. Now to attract men. This na married woman. Where be say she go dey dance. She go naked. Nothing. And the Ewu husband. They say na he be the cameraman. The Ewu husband. I pity her. Because he don't get anything. Now the remnant. The leftover where Gbogbo Giri don't find remain. Now they go carry for house. And maybe the time where this period where she say she get belle so. Maybe the kind message where go they send the husband there. Honey, you know I'm sick. Honey, you know I'm pregnant. Honey, you know I am this. Can you give me a cup of water? Honey, my waist is paining me. It's possible na Gbogbo Giri pikin. Now the husband just they run for left and right. So because he no fit service the wife. He no fit service her. How can a woman, because I dey see her friend for America, Korea, na so that one too see the naked they dance, even though that one get belle now. Now so she see the naked they dance for all this. I don't know all these little girls that don't even know anything about marriage, that they will just enter into marriage. You just enter into marriage, you don't know, you don't even know. Somebody like Jay never ready. Jemina never ready to marry. But maybe she just see, say, na so my mate they do. Or she just see, say, this mugu go good. This mugu go good for my runs. And truly, the man a mugu. The man a mumu. Whatsoever a man soweth, thou shalt reap. Why I say whatsoever a man soweth, thou shalt reap. You now as a woman, you they go cheat on your husband behind closed door. The man don't know. But you forget, say, that man where you they cheat on. Now another person picking oh. Then go still do unto your pikin. Oh, you as a woman, you are sowing a wrong seed down on the life of your male children. Now you they sow down. Believe me. Waiting you do where you feel say, man no no, woman no no, nobody see you where you they do. But you are sowing that seed in the future of your children down. Then you go see some. Their female children go husband house. And also husband go, they pursue them, they go. But they themselves, they feel just go prophet. Prophet go say, madam, confess what thing you do. He go say you not do anything. You understand? He go say you not do anything. But only she herself, you will commit that sin. Only you yourself know, say, truly you don't commit sin down. You don't commit waiting they worry your children down. Just like this Pokpogiri also, where they go sleep with another wife. Now 14 generational curse. Even if woman carry herself come meet you, throw away your eye. Throw away your eye, may you come up for there. Than for you to stigmatize yourself with this generational curse. I appear as the audio leak, so. It's a lesson for Pokpogiri to stop sleeping with people's wife. To stop being a Casanova. There is sickness everywhere. Because this one, they don't use protection. Una see how sickness they spread, they go. A married woman go they sleep with boyfriend where be say, he no say boyfriend na Casanova. Boyfriend na gigolo where be say they spread and they go everywhere. Okay, the innocent man now where they hold it to a wife for house. The woman will come carry sickness where your wife carry come from outside. It's two ways. No be only man they bring sickness. Women like Jemina, they are also spreader. It's just like also some men where be say that they go send their women, maybe that they go do road work for them. The day where the road now generational curse, una too they lay down for una children. Generational curse. Generational curse. People like Jemina now another person picking. Now she go carry, go give another man. Because man wey don't brush you for more than 30 times. You no go say you dey use protection for that man. Protection not dey again. You no go come to say, from morning till that night, we una just they stay together. Na condom una con dey use. No way. They not they use condom for all those things again. If it be said the first time, if it be said the second time, but the third time, condom not dey again. Because if condom dey, protection dey. I'm not sure say they will for the stay from morning till night. They not go for the stay from morning till night. Protection no day. I dey pity for some men. Because now woman they talk who get pikin. Person like Jemina now where they go do Pokpogiri now. The same maybe the same night now he go come. He go say, okay, make I just see pity for this my husband. May I just see give him. He go give him. Tomorrow now, supposing she born that pikin now. The husband will come the request for DNA. No. If maybe later in future, the man can say, okay, may I just go do DNA. He will come be say, DNA no come match. Nobody go no say, Pokpo they brush am for outside. And Pokpogiri to talk. Pokpogiri na talkative, he no get secret. Pokpogiri na talkative. One small word, Pokpogiri go talk, he go finish everything. He go finish everything. It's not good to sleep with married women. You are placing a curse on your generation, on your children. That's why some people, they go try from heaven and hell, they succeed, finish. Come hand over the wet to their children. You can't they see the downfall. The children go just bring the wet from up, then go bring down to zero. But they don't know where the problem for the come. The man go they cut in hand, go say, why he be say, none of my children they progress upon how they try reach. Go and check yourself. If your children, they are not progressing, they are not doing well, go and check yourself, you as a parent. Go check whether you don't put clean water, join dirty water. Don't go and be saying, I'm your uncle. Your uncle, no, they worry your children. Before your uncle go come worry your children, it means say you don't get leakage one corner. It means say you don't get leakage one corner. If you don't get leakage for one corner, no hand go fit enter that hole. Unless you don't use your hand. Take commit secretly that you can't say, now, you know, can't good again. But the repercussion now upon your children, it go for the tear. The repercussion now upon your own personal children. Not be witchcraft, they worry your children. No be juju, nobody they throw me so. Go first of all, check yourself. If you know, say you never do all these things, you never go sleep with another person's wife. You as a married woman will be say, bride price there your head. You never carry yourself. Go give another man. You will be free from there if you don't see here. I don't do all these things. I don't do another person picking bad. Before you will feel the point finger. Don't go and start pointing finger without you controlling yourself. Don't point finger. Because now there you go see some people that will say, Madam talk. Madam talk. Madam go say nothing. Madam talk. Madam confess. Some women know they lie confess. They take her to their grave. Because they know say the real dirty secret is with them. Some go say instead may they confess. They rather die. And truly then they die. Then they die. Women where they go cheat. The biggest disgrace in life. You know, the let down for family. And they always they talk. Don't let, say, cheating drive you come off for husband house. If you as a woman say, you know one marry again, the husband house don't tire me. I feel go. The feel just say, the woman a troublesome woman, it too they quarrel. It good. Than, the woman, now serious cheater. The woman they cheat. They different men, they go sleep with her. Now, big disgrace for your own family. Even for your own papa, we collect the bride price. Because the husband family, now there, then go, they swear for your papa enemy, we collect bride price. From wayward picking, where you not fit trade. Now, so they be. Person like Jemina now, the kind cost where the papa go don't receive back and front, you know, go ever fit talker. The kind insult when the parents go don't receive now. Because it's possible they collect every bride price. They collect every bride price from a mannerless daughter. A child that has no respect. Tonto di ke no good o. But for this one now, Tonto no the husband house. Tonto di ke no the husband house. We have to say the truth here. Tonto di ke talk her own for waiting he see. Based on say maybe she too na sharp girl. Where be say, don't look the phone down. He don't search everything down. She don't pack what she want pack down. She don't pack what she want pack down. You as a mother, it is left for you to beg your own daughter. Don't go and bring disgrace to me. He get disgrace. Your pikin they fight. He good. Your pikin they find trouble. No problem. You feel go beg. Your pikin na adulterous woman. I can never beg for such thing. I can never beg for such thing. I go even join the husband, make it send them back. Believe me. If a woman want to leave husband house, or you feel say, you know there, you don't tire, just come out. Than for you to go commit adultery. It no good. No be better thing. No be better thing. It is a disgrace upon your own self, upon your own family, and upon your own children. Because if your children get to know tomorrow the reason why you come up from their papa house, say now another man come they carry you, those children will never have respect for you. You no go ever get the respect where you demand from your children ever again. Especially when they don't grow. Say your mama here now wakajugbe woman o. Now so your mama they waka left and right pion 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 pion. Now different men they can't carry her. I do not know this thing, This thing where you go commit down as a wife or as a mother, where be say you they do this adultery. Do you know that some men family, husband family, mother-in-law, then go they use that thing till they punish your own children, where be say you now for now Africa they talk now. For abroad, they're not a woman that they give picking. Fine. But for Africa, where be say they don't already know you, your mother-in-law don't know you, say na dirty woman you be. Say na wakajugbe. Maybe you can't leave your children there. Do you know the punishment your children, the insult, the bully your children will receive from that your big mistake? Because you now don't go commit adultery. You can't come out from the house. You can't leave your children there. Do you know the kind of pain your children will go through? Do you know the kind bully your children will go through for your mistake? Do you know the kind insult your children will go through? Because not be better thing you take come out. Not be better story you take come out from the house. Not be better story you take come out from the family house. Because if you now as a woman now, you can't finally go. You can't finally go meet another man, go marry another man. The same family go constantly tell your own husband. Say, see waiting driver from my picking handle. Baba Rick, I agree, thank you. The same family, your husband family, where you don't feel come out to live, where be say your children there, they suffer. Now then go come see tell the new one where you marry, say, hey, my pikin can't catch on top of man. One of the year. Okay, like say now, let's say for example now, Jemina can't come out now from this man house. He can't go meet Kpokpogiri. Do you sure say Kpokpogiri will ever trust Jemina? Say maybe Jemina and the husband not come day. Then Kpokpogiri now can finally take over. Kpokpogiri will never trust Jemina. You understand? Kpokpogiri will never trust Jemina. Why? Because he with her don they cheat on another man. Another woman picking, and two of them they cheat on. So Kpokpogiri go see no say. Now the same thing Jemina go do to her. And true to Jemina go see do one. Because if Jemina can see man way better pass Kpokpogiri tomorrow, Jemina go die for because he don't already date Jemina blood. He don't already date Jemina blood. If a woman want to leave husband house, or if supposing the audio just come out now, maybe Kpokpogiri can they say, as I thought to Jemina rich, he no agree for me, or the girl na really decent woman, or na better woman. I believe Jemina for don't come out since can they brag for social media. She go for don't come out since even can increase the money where she be one gift to DK. She for don't increase and tete. She for don't increase her. The thing that things was what was going on here. Toto DK don't already know the kind guy when you the friends say now mafia guy. Now she begin to collect what she they collect. You understand? Because for her to come both say, I dare you. Oh yeah, we go to court. No problem. But when we get to court, the judge will listen to everything. I mean, when you now, Jemina, you don't already know, say, you don't already hear. But you were trying to brag to the whole world that you are a decent wife, of which you are not a decent wife. Men, what could they look women they marry? Believe me, sometimes I just a pity for men. Because I get boys, children. I dey pity for men. God forbid me, my pikin not gonna go marry a person like Jemina. Oh, me wawu. And it's possible the husband now love her to death. Because he gets some kind of way where some women, no matter how bad they are, he get the way where they see they take the whole man down. Not be juju, be everything, but he just get the way where he say, the man go just say, this is my woman, she's heaven and earth. Don't be say good, or you as an outsider go to say, this is my wife, na bad person. This is my wife, na bad person. But the husband love her die. There is nothing you can do. Look at the disgrace she brought upon her own family. Worldwide disgrace, national disgrace, not even national, international disgrace. Because now she brag come and say she wants to with 500 million naira. She go confuse sue now for this 500 million naira with this dirty story about her. Not be today they see man way they toast woman. Some men don't they now their work be that to go they talk to married women. You understand? Now their work to go they toast married women. Some men spoil for that thing. But it is left for you as a married woman that you think you claim that you are to respect yourself. Respect yourself. Even if you hate your husband, but respect the fact that you have children for him. Even if you can't dislike your husband, respect the fact that those your children are his blood. You have to respect your children. You have to honor your children. Your children now become your value. They now become your dignity. They now become your respect. That you don't want to mess up their life. If you come out with dignity. Come out with respect. Don't come out with this dirty error. This is not dirty error. Very dirty one at that. That the whole world don't know now. Say another man they sleep with you for more than 30 times. How many your own husband can't get inside? Boyfriend fee can't say he don't do 30 times. How many the husband can't see inside? How many? How many the husband can't see inside? Because we know they always like to talk true, but we always like to judge other people. When you as a woman, because if you do something to another man picking, believe me, you have a male children. It will return back to your own children. You go there this life, you go there see her. How their wife go tell they cheat on them. But you no go talk. Because now what you don't do. You will be wallowing in pain inside you. You go there born. But if you can't look back, you go say, hey. You will come they bite your hand say, aye. This now what me I don't do before. This now what me I don't do before the time where I there with my husband or the time where well, me I throw spit. As a married woman, I not do God forbid. You understand? The time where the woman come they say, no, I'm not talking to myself. The woman come and say, the time when she did with the husband house, now exactly what they happen to my children, where their wife, they cheat on them. Now I do so. Because you will be alive to reap your karma. Now so karma they play. Especially when you have children and you are doing all these things. Like this one where Jemina do so. Any man, if the husband not marry Jemina again, any man will go marry Jemina tomorrow. That repercussion is going to play in our life. Once in a lifetime, you get to see your fame. And that fame is always playing in our children. Now children, now true children. Oh. Sometimes you will be seeing your own character in your own children. You go laugh, you go sit down, you will laugh. Sometimes you go say, God, I beg, oh, may they not just come grow. That's why sometimes they'll say if woman don't they born, if you they harsh before, you they reduce your temper. If man they born, because I know many men will be say, I don't really come across, especially some of our Nigeria. Some then get rasta before. They get real rugged dada before. But the day where they go just born, then go, that very day, then go cut and come out. Then go say they don't want make their children see them like this. Some they smoke before. The moment they just born, they go say they don't want make their children see them like this. Some they are heavy drinker. They drink anyhow. But the moment they born, then go want to they change, they limit all those things. So that you can be able to correct your children tomorrow. But when somebody like Jemina now, come see pikin and they walk out, they jump from man to man, bed to bed. She cannot correct that child because her history is already on the ground. Her history is already on the ground. If you know, say you never ready to settle down, don't marry, don't involve yourself. Oh. Don't involve yourself. Marriage na school. You can never graduate from it. Is a school, is a primary school, is a secondary school, is a university that you can never graduate from it. It is a school that you will keep on learning because sometimes you will see messed up. Sometimes your partner will mess up. Sometimes you yourself, you will mess up, but you are still going to learn. But that messing up is not true cheating. It's not true cheating. For me, we all know men they do and waiting men we know men for. But for woman, it's not a good thing, believe me. For a woman to be cheating, your dignity is going down. Especially when you don't marry. Especially when you don't marry. Gbogbo Garina can never have Jemina as his wife. Believe me. No matter how in manhood they raise, whenever he think about Jemina, he will never have Jemina as his own wife because he knows say waiting he don't do. Jemina go still do Antora with another man. It's like that. Jemina go still do Antora with another man. Mama call my red boy. Jemina go do with another man. So cheating on your husband or cheating especially for women. Not be better thing at all. Not be better thing. Believe me. Now the most disgusting story for woman say they can't know woman say na cheater. It no good. It no good. It no good because that stigma, even if like say you know some men now for our Benin culture, some men go say okay I still want my wife although you are so. But that it no go ever finish for your family, the husband family. It no go ever finish, even if the man go do the forbidden thing, the sacrifice and everything. He himself as a man, he might not reach ground again. He might not reach ground because anywhere where you go, he go they monitor you, they go for the rest of your life. You can never be free. You can never be free. It is better you leave husband house saying, that woman a troublesome woman or na gbagbati woman, if they find trouble well, if they fight well, na jaguda, no problem. No problem. You see, they will say the woman a thief. They go say the woman a thief. It better pass say the woman a adulterous woman. Because the moment some men don't know, say, now that thing you be, say, you know they feel close your leg. Come on me, what say? The moment they don't know, say, you know they feel close your leg. Every man will want to have a taste of it. Every man will start writing love letter to you. Because they also want to taste. Since you don't become national cake, for everybody to have their own. Exactly, mommy. Everybody will want to have their own. Everybody will want to feel their own inside. Because they already know you don't have the dignity. You don't have the self-respect. You don't value yourself as a woman. Because somebody like this, Jemina, I'm not going to blame the Kpokpogiri. Believe me. I'm not going to blame the Kpokpogiri because why? Kpokpogiri don't already hear. Kpokpogiri don't already make himself say, he be Casanova. He don't sleep with this. He don't sleep with that. He don't sleep with that. But he never come mention say, he don't sleep with married woman. And the married woman will be say, she carry herself, go meet her. You go blame the married woman. Because the boy, he never marry. The guy never marry. God doing good evening. The guy never marry. So it is left for you as a woman, if you want to have your own dignity, you want to have your own self-respect. Again, the kind of thing where be say, man family go beg back. I'm not sure say any man they will be say, they'll come say wife na adulterous woman, or the wife they cheat. Then go beg. The man go carry a family. Say after the woman don't pack come out. The man now go carry a family. He will come say, make una come follow me, go beg my wife where they cheat on me. Una don't see her. You know they. If the woman are troublesome woman, some men they still go they beg. Because sometimes they go miss this trouble. Sometimes they know say the woman, it get where they use the trouble till they help them too, they save them for some kind of things. No man they go carry palm wine again or carry drink or carry snap. They go come kneel down for your father's sitting room. They kneel down, they beg, say, I want my wife back. When they don't become say, now woman will be say you they go cheat, sleep with another man. They know they do. No man they come beg your papa again. Automatically you don't bring the biggest disgrace insult to your own father. You don't bring the biggest disgrace to your own family. Even some men, then go come instantly. You know, go even don't reach your papa house. Then don't come. Quick, come they demand from their bride price back. Because they want to remove and make they save their pikin life. Because that thing, they affect men. Especially once man bride price don't dare your head. You can't go they do all this unnecessary waka here and there. The thing they finish the man, they go gradually. It not just be one month thing. It not be 1 year thing. Not be 1 year thing. It they take gradually. Sometimes it go affect the woman picking. That's why they go they tell the woman, confess, confess, confess. I don't see many cases like that when we dey Benin. They will come they tell the woman, confess, confess, confess. The woman, she not go let her confess. So women don't prefer for them to confess. The pikin fit die. If the husband no know. Now, if when the husband they know, now it is something they go catch the man. No be 1 week process. No be 1 year process. No be 1 year process. Oh. No be 1 year process. I what they take the key man. Oh. No be 1 year process. I what they take the key man. No be 1 year. First of all, you go to bring the man down gradually, 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 gradually before you finally take him. If the man even know and the thing can't catch the pikin, the man will come say, oh, may I just go save the pikin? The man go die. Now, so some family will be. Every family get the way where they are own till they be. Every family get that. So no married, no man go come kneel down, they beg your papa, say I beg, I want my wife back. When you don't already know, say abomination don't already there. Exactly, mommy. When they don't already know, say the family of the man don't already know, say you as a woman, you don't go commit abomination. You don't go cheat. Like the one where they circulate, they go, so where one pastor now with a married woman for the altar where he say, now God altar. Sir Rosalind, good evening. The altar now where he say now God altar, he go to sleep with another man wife. If that one video now they circulate, they go. Like that pastor own. Many now for spiritual power. All those way they go take power from demon. They are using it to satisfy the demonic where they for take the power from. You now as a mumu married woman, because you are bound to now become so close to your pastor, you are ready to do anything. Even some women, they go sleep with pastor all in the name of they want born for their husband. Some go get female children, but then they look for boys. Because now boys, they take the whole man down. Who born boy and I get the husband. Who born girl not get husband. Some women they go commit a lot of atrocity, all in the name of one born boy. A married woman going, they go lie down with pastor for altar. Altar, well, now they say now God altar, holy altar. They go commit abomination there. That for me, when I see the video for that pastor, I know say that altar na demonic altar. The man is just using it to perform his own ritual. In they give, they're waiting, they demand from him. Because many pastors, they do it. So they go, he get one confession when I watch for YouTube a few early this year. Even the man don't die safe. He says some pastor, oh, na children will be say they never this virgin. Now it be they are calling. When they do, they take the appease where they for take the power. Young girls. After they don't finish crusade like this, young girls go they whisk enter their room where they will go they do what they won't do. To take a peace where they for take the power. Where it be say is even throw a catch come on Anki go up like this. People go they fall down. Rah. Even Jesus Christ not perform that kind of miracle. Anki it go throw away and they go fall. Even some go even blow their mouth like this. Woo, breeze. Everybody go fall down. Where you not see all those power they come? Where you not see all those power they come? My people, I greet you now this evening. May God not allow our son to marry a woman like Jemina. Jemina is an international disgrace. She is an international disgrace. International okbo. International disgrace. Because she knows better as a married woman. She knows better. Despite all those are dancing where she did dance, she's using it to attract men. May God not allow our son, our male children, to marry a woman like Jemina. And may God not give us a daughter like Jemina that will bring disgrace to us. Because Jemina is a disgrace to the family. She don't already give the family public international disgrace. International disgrace. Not be only Nigeria don't hear our news. Now the whole world. Now the whole world. So anywhere where Nigeria person gay, we are all as a Nigeria citizen. Now the whole world we dey too. So we all they listen to everything where they come out from Nigeria. Which Jane now international disgrace. International disgrace. That one not be picking. That one not be picking. That na picking wey be say if they give papa and mama headache. Even if papa feel wash hand come out. If papa feel wash hand come out. Because if female picking they bring disgrace they come. Now mama that they call. They'll say go look picking where you train. Now so it they be. The father can easily say, look at your daughter now. She's a public disgrace. Not true. Now mama then go blame. Now mama. Especially that our Africa. Many mothers don't know what they go on. Many mothers don't know what they go on. Some go just day. They will come out 6 o'clock in the morning. They will come back 9 o'clock in the evening. They don't know what their female daughter they do for outside. Now just come cook, eat, sleep again. Before they break, they don't go. Now in many they take they turn to wayward children like this for outside. Many children. This one I don't bring disgrace to our family. So it's so painful, my people. I greet you all. May God help our children. May God help our children. Because any man wey married daughter like Jemina, that family no go ever settle. Believe me, that family no go settle. The marriage no go ever settle. The husband family no go ever settle. Because the man family go want, make their son now instantly divorce Jemina, make she they go. The man family go want now make the Jemina, make she just pack her load, make it they go. Because he don't already play her, say she they sleep with another man outside. And not be now she they do one. She don't they do one long ago. She don't they do one. And it's not the only Kpokpogiri. Only say Kpokpogiri now just can't go put himself for the wrong shoe. He can't go put himself for the wrong shoe. Because a married woman where they come out naked, come they dance. You go no say she they look for something. She's looking for people to lure. Who know whether na demon she be. She's looking for people destiny to destroy. Because if man toast you, you know better than you are a married woman. You go warn the woman. You go warn the man, say, don't ever try this again. I'm a married woman. You go come on there. So men, once they don't know, say you are a married woman, they're not they pressurize you again. Now, because it dey your mind. It dey your mind. Person like Jemina and I go tell the boyfriend, say, that my husband and my brother. So not be today, Jemina Saturday doing. Not be today, now a cup full, so. I greet you all, my people. Good night to you all. Have a lovely night. Till we meet again another day. And so I see my own way I talk. I not go blame the boy, but I go blame the woman. Now married woman. Any woman wey don't dey my house, they commit this kind of disgrace. I will always blame the woman. I will always blame the woman. Because you as a married woman, you should know better. You should know better. Now so I see my own. You as a married woman, you should know better. You should know the rules and regulations that binds marriage. Before you say I do, they don't read Bible for you. You don't read the 10 commandments of God. Waiting God, they forbid. Waiting your culture, they forbid. Waiting religion, they forbid. Both Muslim, Christian, everything, tradition, pagan. Now this abomination, cheating, they forbid them. So you should know better. Now so it be. Now so it be. Now good night, my people. Come, mommy, here we are. Good night to you all.